Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today's recipe is very easy and tasty baby corn pepper. This is a very quick recipe, so let's get started. Firstly, take a bowl and add baby corn pieces which I have cut into diagonal shape, and add 2 spoons of corn flour and some salt, and now add crushed black pepper powder and give it a light mix. Now add little bit of water, not so much. The corn flour has coated well. Now heat the oil and drop our baby corn one by one slowly. Fry this baby corn until they get crispy and golden brown color. Now you can see these are ready, crispy and golden brown color. Now take it off from the oil. Now on another pan, add some oil and finely chopped ginger and garlic, and finely chopped green chilli, and saute for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Now add finely chopped onions. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add celery, crushed black pepper powder, again saute it for a minute. Now take half cup of water and add half spoon of corn flour to it and mix it well without lumps and add to our pan. This is only to give a saucy texture to our baby corn. Now adjust salt. Now again cook it for 2 minutes until the sauce gets thicker. Now add our fried baby corn and some coriander with it and toss it on high flame. And here's our baby corn pepper is ready. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe for G Home Cooks for many more videos. Thank you.